Hi everyone, I'm going to show you a little bit more about navigating in Canvas. In particular, the focus for this video is how to access grades information and all the feedback I provide for you when I'm grading your work in Canvas. It's important to know that one of the most important ways to keep improving and to succeed in the class is to make sure that you look at the feedback I provide when it comes up in your grades area. And one thing that can really help with this is making sure that when you set your notifications in Canvas, that you set your grades option to receive feedback as soon as possible, or I think they say right away. That way, when I grade something, you'll get a notice in your email and you can use the link in the email to go right to the grades area to get the feedback. So if you're not accessing it directly through an email when you get notified, when you get into Canvas, you'll see the grades link here, and when a new grade has been entered, you'll see a little number in blue right next to it. So I'm going to click into the grades area. And in the grades area, you can see the list of different assignments along the column here. And then you can also see the status if you turned it in on time, if you've submitted it late. You can see what score you earned out of the possible total for that score. You can also see over here, when you see these little comment bubbles, it means I have left a comment for you, and so you want to be sure to check out the comments that I provide. I'm going to scroll down to a different example to demonstrate the comments to you. So for instance, for draft 1A, you'll see that there's actually three things here. There's the comment bubble, and there's this little clipboard means a rubric has been filled out for that assignment. So if I click on the comment bubble here, it will open up more information. If I've written a comment, it will show the written comment, or if I've left a video comment, you'll see that and you can play the video comment. I am experimenting this quarter with doing more video feedback for you, and I'll be curious to see if you like that, if you prefer it, or if you prefer written comments. So it'll help me to get some feedback from you about that question. The other thing to know is you can also access the assignment area. I'm going to close this now. But if I click on the title of the assignment, that will open the actual submission area where your assignment was submitted. And in this area, again, you can see the media comment, so you could play that if you want. If there were a written comment, you would also see a written comment here. And it's helpful to know that you can write a comment back to me. So if you have a question about a comment I left, or if you want to explain something, you can leave a comment and we can have a little bit more of a conversation about your work. You can also click here on Show Rubric, and that will show the whole rubric that was filled out with the assessments for each category, and sometimes I'll leave comments for you in the rubric itself, and those will show up in the rubric as well when there is a comment. It's a little hard to figure out how to close the rubric. The close button, or close, button is right up here in the right-hand corner, so you have to click that to close it again. Hopefully that will help you be able to access the feedback I'm providing this quarter. Again, getting the feedback is one of the most important things you can do to help you succeed, and it's a way that you and I can have a little more interaction around your specific work. Thanks, everyone.